I'm going to teach you a very dandy trick for you to stop the hiccups whenever you get one. Whenever you get hiccups and it's really bothersome, annoying, almost can't even talk sometimes because of how strong they are, and you wonder, how could I stop this? This is how. You're going to take a deep breath, and then when it's at the limit of the breath, you're going to take another one. And then when it's at the limit of the second breath, you're going to take even another one. And I guarantee you, it's going to stop. It's miraculous. It's crazy. I just had a hiccup right now and I did it and immediately stopped.